Today's tip, steel wool. So when I go to put some paint on this bird head here, whether it's a primer paint or even just a clear sealer, that wood grain is going to rise and the texture is going to get real rough and it's terrible on your paintbrushes. So a lot of times people will use a sandpaper to take care of that or to sand down that first coat of primer. If you do use sandpaper, you want to use something really fine grit, like this is a 400 here. Anything coarser than that, maybe 300 be okay, but 200 or less, and you'll just take off too much of your paint. But steel wool. So with the steel wool, I use a 4/0 steel wool here. You can take off all of those bumps and grain raises, but more importantly, when you've got your glass eye in there, you're not going to scratch it with the steel wool. Any grade of sandpaper will scratch your glass eyes, but the steel wool won't. So I use this on every bird to sand down that very first coat of primer.